Everyone, this is Caleb Beesing, walking back into the old apartment here really quick. So as you can see from the latest SPC, here we are. As you can see from the latest SPC, we now have a high risk on these two areas. Over here and right here. You see those areas in pink? Those are the very dangerous situations now. And you can see this whole moderate risk has fused together with the two other blobs. Sorry. Which means if anything happens, it's gonna happen in the area right here and the areas in pink as well. Tornado, those are maxed out. So Memphis, Tennessee, Peoria, you're gonna be in that risk. You're mainly gonna get tornadoes. And then if you see this maxed out in this area, this pink, you are also going to get, if you're in that area, you are also going to get significant hail, and then you're going to get significant wind, and then you're going to get significant hail in these red areas. I wouldn't doubt if you're in this area either. So, with that being issued, take as much time today before it turns noon. So I know it's already 11:52 as it says on my phone here. You have until 4. So, get off your butt, stop watching TV, go get supplies if you're in these areas, any of these areas around. Or if you're in this whole area that I am currently trying to sketch out the best I can. Okay, so if you're in this area entirely, it's time to get off your butt, especially if you're in here. And you need to go get supplies for the storms that are ahead. Because this is brutal. This is going to be EF5 tornadoes, long track tornadoes in the pink. In the red, long track tornadoes from F2 to F5. In the orange, we could see anywhere from EF0 to EF3. So, anywhere else, the yellow or green, those, let me see. Okay, so the yellow, the slight, you have a 5% chance of tornadoes, and the green, you're perfectly fine, you have the 2%. And then anywhere around that, so areas like around here, around that storm, there's like a 1% chance of a tornado. We're expecting the tornadoes to be in the bulk of this whole yellow part. Some may spawn in this brown part, because I know even a 5% risk, there's been like a good handful of tornadoes with my past. So there's a high risk of severe thunderstorms for far southwest Iowa, west central Illinois, far northeast Missouri, and in parts of eastern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and southwestern Tennessee. Summary. A severe weather outbreak appears increasingly likely, centered on this afternoon and evening across a large portion of Mississippi Valley. At least a few long-track, strong to potentially violent tornadoes are possible, particularly over portions of the mid-Mississippi Valley to the mid-south swaths of intense, damaging Wind gusts, along with very large hail, are expected as well. Synopsis. I don't know if I pronounced that right. A dangerous severe weather outbreak is likely across a large portion of the central United States this afternoon until tonight. Long track to strong to potentially violent tornadoes are forecast across a broad region of the Mississippi Valley. The propensity of the model supporting evidence and observational trends lends confidence in the upgrade to bi-model high risks for the mid-Missouri Valley and lower Missouri valleys. Midwest and the mid-Mississippi or to Ohio valleys. Morning water vapor imagery shows that a potent 500 MB speed max. I don't know what MB means. I'll have to learn that. Ejecting east-northeast across the Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma to the south of a mid-level low over northern Nebraska, which is not where I am. I am in southern Nebraska. And that's not gonna do anything anyway. A 992 MB cyclone over western Iowa will deepen through this afternoon as it matures into the upper Mississippi Valley. I keep getting Missouri and Mississippi. I don't know. I keep getting mixed up. Where was I? Kind of restart and then I lost it. Okay. Anyway, so you get the point. I'm not gonna waste my time here because that goes for an hour long. Look how much that is. So if we remove everything, we'll do that. We'll keep cities on. You can really see it now. High, moderate, enhanced, slight, marginal, and thunderstorms. So you can see this kind of wraps around the whole central U.S. Now, look at me when I say this. You do not want to be caught in this storm without being prepared. I know I look young. So right around this area, we're going to be looking at a bunch of long track tornadoes. Now as goes for tomorrow, if we make it through tomorrow. Now, so, like I said, get off your butt if you're in those areas. Get some sort of thing done to help yourself prepare. Now, if we go into tomorrow, if we make it through tonight, we go into tomorrow, there's a marginal risk that goes and wraps around this slight risk. That's all the way to the east. Turn on my camera for some reason. Sorry. But then if we look at that, this whole area here is going to be seeing sunshine. Same with the day 3 outlook. But then, day 4, day 5, though, we're going to get some sort of activity. So look at day 5. Right there. You saw that? That means that there is going to be a marginal to slight risk. But that is not for some portions of you that are going to be hit today. So if we go and look at the current weather alerts, oh, that's for Nebraska right now. So this is a weather alert app. It's called the National Weather Service, or NWS Weather Alerts widget. Now, if you go here, you can be able to use this widget, and I'm gonna demo all the alerts. So here's a brief demo of all the alerts you can get here. I'm still recording.
What? Why are you recording all day?
Anyway, guys, you get the point. Yeah, it goes on. It still goes on. So download this weather widget today if you want to stay weather prepared for what's going on tonight. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you back here if anything else happens.